welcome you all in my YouTube channel Education World. Dear students, in this class I will explain the exercise 7.2 in the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, before starting the chapter, okay, here one formula is there. That formula is known as section formula. By using this formula, we have to solve the exercise 7.2. P of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here x1 and x2 are the coordinates of x-axis and y1 and y2 are the coordinates of y-axis, where m1 or m2 are the ratios in which the line will divide the coordinates. Okay, dear students, this is the section formula. By using this formula, we have to solve the exercise 7.2. Okay, in this class, I will explain the question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 is, find the coordinate of the points which divide the joint of -1, 7 and 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, dear students, here coordinates points are given. Coordinate points are -1, 7 and 4, minus 3. Ratio are 2:3. What we have to find? We have to find the P of x, y value we have to find. Okay. Now write down the section formula and substitute all these values in section formula. These are the points. Consider this as A equal to -1, 7, B equal to 4, minus 3. Ratios m1 equal to 2 and m2 equal to 3. Now write down the section formula. What is section formula? P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of P of x, y. Okay. Consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Substitute all these values in this formula. m1 value is how much? m1 value is 2. x2 is 4. m2 value is 3. x1 value is -1 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay, m1 value 2, y2 value is -3, m2 value 3, y1 value is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay, next P of x, y equal to 2 4 how much will get? 8 plus into minus -3. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 3s are 6 plus into minus. 7 3s are 21 divided by 5. Okay. P of x, y equal to 8 minus 3 how much will get? 5 divided by 5. 21 minus 6 how much will get? 15 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. Then P of x, y equal to 1, 3. Here x value is 1, y value is 3. Okay, dear students, what is the value of x? 1. Y value is 3. Are you following? Here what data has given? Coordinates value has given. Consider this as A value equal to -1, 7. A point and B point is 4, minus 3. m1 value is 2, m2 value is 3. Now substitute all these values in section formula and simplify it. After simplification, you will get here 1, 3. X value is 1, y value is 3. Okay, dear students, are you following? Now we will go for second problem. Second problem is, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment 4, -1 and -2, -3. Okay, dear students, here point of trisection means line AB is divided into 3 parts. Trisection means 3. Okay, here AB is one line. It is dividing into how many parts? 3 line segments. AP is one line segment, PQ is another line segment and QB is another line segment. Here AP is one segment, PB, how many segments are there in PB? 2 segments are there. Which are those? PQ is one segment and QB is another segment. It means the line AB is dividing in the ratio 1:2 internally. Okay. What data is given right now? Coordinates are given. Consider A equal to 4, -1, B equal to -2, -3. Okay. The line AB divide. Here A are the points 4, -1, B points are -2, -3. Okay. Here the points of trisection of the line segment. Write down one sentence there. The point of trisection of line segment. The points of trisection of line segment joining AP equal to PQ equal to QB. How many line segments are there? 3 line segments. AP is one segment, PQ is another segment, and QB is a third segment. Here complete AB is a one line. It is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. That only trisection. Okay. Now consider AP is one segment and PB is having how many segments? Line segment? 2 line segments are there. For that sake, here the line AB is dividing internally in the ratio 1:2. It means M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2. Now what we have to find? You have to find the P of x, y value. Okay. Just you substitute all this value in the formula, section formula, then you can find easily P of x, y value. Okay. Consider this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. The ratio 1:2 divide the line segment. Okay. Now write down the formula, section formula. Write down P of x, y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Next, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now substitute all this value in section formula. What we have to find here? We have to find the P of x, y value. m1 value is 1, x2 is -2 plus m2 value is 2, x1 value is 4 divided by 1 plus 2. Next, m1 value is 1, y2 value is how much? -3. Next, m2 value is 2, y1 value is -1 divided by 1 plus 2. Next, P of x, y equal to 1 2 is 2 plus into minus 2 4 is 8 by 3. 1 3 is 3 plus into minus 2 1 is 2 by 3. Next, P of x, y equal to 8 minus 2, how much will get student here? 6 by 3. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Then P of x, y equal to 2, minus 5 by 3. It means x value is 2, y value is minus 5 by 3. Okay, dear students, listen this problem once again. Here AB is one line. That line is AB is one line. That line is dividing into how many line segments? 3 line segments. That is only in question they have mentioned that point of trisection. Okay, AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Now data has given, coordinates values are given. A equal to 4, -1, B equal to -2, -3. And this line AB is dividing in the internally in the ratio 1:2. Now you substitute all this value, this x1, y1, x2, y2 and m1, m2 value in section formula. Simplify it and calculate the x, y. P of x, x value is 2 and y value is -5 by 3. Okay, dear students, are you following? I hope you understood this problem. Please like my video, share it and subscribe it.